As part of our cooking series on Southern foods, we're going to demonstrate the proper procedures for smoking ribs. Once you know how to smoke ribs, any recipe with ingredients you like will be terrific. At Dixie Bones, we start with a very high quality St. Louis cut spare rib, graded and trimmed exclusively for us. You should marinate the ribs before putting them on a grill or in a smoker. There are as many different marinades and rubs as there are cookbooks. Pick one that sounds good to you. There are important things to consider in marinating ribs. You want vinegar involved in the marinade, as this will help tenderize the meat. But you don't want the ribs soaking in vinegar, as the ribs will end up tasting like vinegar. You should use a dry rub on the wet rib to enhance the flavor. Never use a tomato-based barbecue sauce because the tomatoes will burn during the cooking. Give the process some time to sink in, at a minimum a few hours, but best overnight. We dip them in a vinegar marinade, enhanced with vegetables and peppers. Apply a dry rub and let them rest refrigerated overnight before cooking. You want to cook them in a smoky environment, away from direct heat, at between 225 and 250 degrees for several hours. There's a layer of hard fat running underneath the top layer of meat. With your finger, press the meat between the bones. The rib is done when the fat has melted and the meat is tender. If you want to add barbecue sauce, do it after removing the ribs from the grill or smoker. Let the ribs rest covered loosely with aluminum foil for 20 or so minutes before serving. This lets the juices settle into the meat. Find a recipe that sounds good to you, incorporate the things we shared, and you'll have your family's own favorite smoked ribs. Thank you for watching, and let us know what you think.